Hello, this is Rohit Verma. Today we will study about stars and solar systems from chapter 17th of class 8 science book. Yes. At night time, we see shiny objects like stars, moon, planets, and in daytime we see sun and other objects in the sky from Earth. These objects are called celestial objects, which revolves around the Earth, or we can see the objects in the sky. So all of these objects are called celestial objects. Basically present in the sky, the objects which are present in the sky and observed from the Earth are called celestial objects. One of the celestial object and one of the interesting celestial object is the moon. So as we can see at the night time in the night sky, the brightest, shiniest object in the night sky is the moon. And we also see that the shapes of the moon changes as the days pass. What are the causes which cause the changes of the moon, shapes of the moon? So basically moon is the natural satellite of the Earth, which revolves around the Earth as the Earth revolves around the Sun. So Earth takes around 365 days to revolve, complete its circular revolution around the Sun. And same way, the moon takes around 29 days plus to complete its revolution around the Earth. And also, now, the phases of the moon. Shapes of the moon changes every day. And this change of the shapes of the moon are known as phases of the moon. There are two types of basically phases of the moon. One is the rising phase of the moon and another is falling phase of the moon. In the rising phase of the moon gradually increases in its shape and reaches to full moon, where we see complete circular moon in the sky. And in the falling phase, the moon gradually decreases its circular shape and we see no moon in the sky. And that day is known as new moon day. So these phases takes around 29 plus days, and in most of the calendars it is also called as a month. And why this change in the phase of the moon happens? This change of the phase of the moon happens due to the revolution of the moon around the Earth. See, the moon revolves around the Earth, and as we have seen that moon has no light of its own. Moon actually reflects the light which comes from the sun. So as the moon revolves around the Earth, the light coming from the sun, its angle changes due to the shift of the moon's position. Thus, we are unable to see complete moon in the sky, and we see different shapes of the moon. as per the positions of the moon. So we have discussed today about our very